Hey, Brian.
Hey, Dash.
Looks like we've got some jars here.
We've got 7 jars here. 4 jars filled with water.
And 3 with no water.
Exactly. And we're going to do an amazing trick.
Wait, I thought we were going to do science.
It is science, but it also looks like magic.
How so?
We're going to make the water go from the full jars into the empty jars.
Sounds super cool. I can't wait to see it.
It is going to be cool, but we won't see any of it.
What? Why not?
The water is clear. You can hardly see it's even there.
Oh, yeah. Let's put some color in it so it's easier to see.
Good idea. Here we go. Looks like we've got red, blue, and yellow.
And another red.
Stir it up.
Okay, we've got to use a different spoon for each jar.
Right, because we're neat freaks.
No, the colors will mix together if we use the same spoon. And we don't want that to happen.
And now we need our magic paper towels.
Got them, rolled up tight.
And there's one for each pair of jars.
Because these paper towels are going to become bridges. Bridges for water.
We're going to watch the water crash from the full glass to the empty ones by walking across these bridges.
Here we go. So, Brian,
So, Dash.
the water is going up. That's kind of creepy. Water should not go up. Want to explain why it's doing that?
Sure, it's because water likes to stick to things.
Right, like when a water droplet sticks on the car window.
Yep, and right now it's sticking to the paper towels.
And that's the process we call water is a creeping monster.
Actually, that's called adhesion, like adhesive tape.
So, Brian,
So, Dash.
the water isn't just sticking, it's moving, climbing up the paper towels.
Well, besides sticking to stuff, water likes to fill in gaps, and it brings more water buddies along.
Yeah, because water likes to stick to stuff, but it really likes to stick to more water.
Like that drop of water on the car window. When it meets another one, they bump into each other and get bigger.
And that's what we call water is a creeping, growing monster.
That's actually called cohesion. The water climbs up the paper towels the same way a tree gets watered.
But not because paper towels are made from trees.
Right. Adhesion sticks water to the roots, and cohesion draws more water in. The whole thing is called capillary action. So, Dash,
So, Brian,
the water goes up, but then after it crosses the bridge, it goes down.
yeah, the water goes down.
Water should go down.
It sure should. That's gravity. What goes up must come down. And then that's when the colors mix.
Makes sense.
So the first jar is labeled 2.5 inches. You got that, Brian? 2.5?
Yep, and this was the one with the only red food coloring going to the clear, with the jar with nothing, that the blue is also going in there, turning it purple.
And the end caps will be taller because they're not producing as much water into another jar. If we hook them up around, then they'd both be a little shorter. This one right here is 1.5. And I'm pretty sure all of the middle jars are at 1.5. And then all of the high jars in the middle are at 2 inches. And the end caps are 2.5. So 2.5, 1.5, 2, and 1.5.
friends, welcome to Cloud Cuckoo Land.
Well, now they're all even, and because of gravity, it stops.
Otherwise, they just keep going, and
Yeah.
then there'd be this big jar of water, and it'd all just spill all over the mess.
So what's up with the colors?
Well, red and yellow make orange, yellow and blue make green, and blue and red make purple.
Oh, that makes sense. Anything else?
No, not really.
Yay, science?
It's science, and it's an edible project if you're ever looking for colorful drinks.